Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Is this your first time here? Welcome! I'm so excited that you clicked on this video. Welcome. I'm super excited because it's the Christmas season and I am bringing you this gele video. I'm recreating this beautiful gele video here, and you know how we do it. We start off with making our base pleat. For the measurement here, I'm using 30-70. 30-70 means that the gele is going to be, one hand is going to be 70% longer than the other, while the other hand is going to be 30% shorter. All right, so your 30 hand is going to be the hand where you're going to make the round pleats, while the 70 hand is going to be the hand that would have the fan pleats. Okay, so it depends on if you're right-handed or if you're left-handed, or if you like to finish on your right or you like to finish on your left. So whichever, just figure it out, but just know that the 70 part will be the part that would have the fan, while the 30 part will be the part that will have the round. Okay, if you don't know how to make your fan pleats, please click on this iCard here on your right to go watch the video of how to make fan pleats. So I'm basically just making the fan pleats now and pushing them backward because the other hand is still going to come out to the front. So when I'm done making these pleats, I'm going to push it back a bit so that I'll have space to bring out the other hand. Now I'm done making the fan pleat, so I'm going to roll that the excess hand that is remaining. I'm going to roll it out of the way and pin it down securely so that it doesn't unravel. So I'm just arranging it at the back and rolling the back, just tidying things up so that it looks neat at the back and front before bringing out the other flap. Now the second flap is coming over. I'm just trying to create a few pleats there before pulling it over. So if you notice here, it didn't go over the other hand, it's just in front of it. Nothing is sitting on anything. It's not sitting on the other hand, on the fan hand. The fan hand is on its own, while this round hand flap that just came out, it's on its own. I only made space for it to sit nicely. Okay, so I didn't cross them over each other. They are both sitting on their own. So I'm going to pleat that hand till the very end of the fabric. Okay, so I'm going to pleat it all. You remember how we do our round gele? If you don't know how to do that, please click on the iCard here and go watch that as well. So I'm not going to pleat this to the second ear. It's going to stop at the middle of the face or somewhere just past the middle of the face. Okay, so I'm just trying to arrange it, build height, before I go in with my needle and thread and secure that down to achieve, I don't know what to call that style there, but okay, so we need to sew that down. A pin cannot hold it down. So I'm sewing all of that round pleats together. Now I'm just tracing the pleats. After I've sewn it down, I'm going to trace out all that pleats I made on the round part. I'm going to trace it out on this remaining hand because it's going back. So when you take it to the back, you either pin it or sew it, whichever you choose, but just figure out a way to keep it secure behind the round pleats that you've made. So I sewed mine, but I'm sorry my camera didn't capture that part. Now I am just adjusting things, making sure that everything looks nice and smooth, you know, that our fan is sitting right, the unconventional part is sitting right, everything is in sync. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to this very part. Thank you. I love you guys so much. To my very old subscribers, I love you guys so much. And to the new ones, welcome to the family. If you're not yet subscribed to this family, I wonder what you're still waiting for. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click it right now. Thank you. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share with someone. You never can tell.